I just built this piece by myself and I am so impressed with how stylish it is, yet how it has so many spots for me to throw in and hide my clutter. The black wood grain on it does have a gray tone to it, which makes it so pretty and so versatile to fit into so many different types of decor. I love that it also has some outlets right here. You can plug in your coffee pot if you have company over, your cell phone, anything you need for hosting is easy to plug in, and you have so much room on the top for your styling. 3 drawers along the top comes with so much space for storing those everyday serving essentials for your dining room. I especially love these really unique square handles. They're kind of a diamond in the back. They're just not something I've seen before, and I feel like it really makes the piece look more elevated. The drawers do have nice space in them, and they slide nice and easily. And they slide to close nice and easily. Here's just a quick look at that book. Since I just finished getting it put together, assembly was so easy. You can see everything was really clear and easy to figure out. Everything was properly labeled. It was an easy build, and you know how Amazon can be sometimes. Down here in the middle section, you have got those 4 wine bottles you can hold and then some wine glass holders, which just makes grabbing a glass at dinner so much easier. Now on both sides of the wine section, you have 2 doors that are going to open up and give you even more storage. Whether you're using this for your china or more of your everyday essentials, there's plenty of room. Plus, the shelf is adjustable. If you wanted to put appliances down here, you have more than enough room for that. Whether you're using this piece as more of a storage for your everyday essentials and having some place to put all of that kitchen clutter, it works fantastically. Or if you're trying to elevate it and make it a little bit nicer, keep your china in there, keep it in more of a formal dining room, it's gorgeous enough that your company's gonna think you spent so much money on it. This piece is a win.